What's going on, Hangout Gang? It's Crypto Crane here, back for another video. And we have the daily technical analysis. And I want to speak on the Bitcoin giveaway. We seem to have a lot of fraudsters, scammers, and cheats. People creating multiple accounts with bots. People messaging me claiming to be the people who claiming to won and everything. The last video, the sound wasn't working, so how do you people know who won? And I received tons of messages saying that I won, I'm the winner, I'm this and that, etc. So we are going to end the Bitcoin giveaway, and we're going to do something different until we figure out a more safer way for everybody to win and people can do not cheat, and to create bots and different accounts that were just created in the this month, and Twitter accounts that were just created this month, etc., with no followers, nothing on there, and steady commenting the same thing on every video and the same thing, the same language, etc. You are a bot, a scammer, and a cheat. So we are going to end the Bitcoin giveaway till we can figure out a better way to to do that, and to where everybody can participate and have an equal and fair chance of winning. And we may even go to a NFT giveaway through Subber, to where you have to put your wallet address and you have to complete some things, and you can only get one entry. And that way I can ensure that everybody has a safe and a fair shot at winning the giveaway. And it's unfortunate that we have people in this world that like to cheat and like to steal and scam. But I am an IT professional, so I can tell the difference between the two. I'm not an idiot, I'm not a fool, and I hate when people try to play me for one. So therefore, we will end the Bitcoin giveaway until I can figure out a better way of doing it to get rid of all these bots and scammers. And if you are a bot and scammer listening, and one of the ones that email me or message me over Twitter, a big fuck you, okay? So now let's get into the charts, because I hate scammers, I hate thieves, I hate liars. Death to you all. Now let's get into the charts. Bitcoin chart we have here. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, the money is flowing into Bitcoin. You don't have that much money coming out of Bitcoin, but it's flowing into Bitcoin. This is the 4-hour chart. We have the hour chart, and as you can see, that what happens when that 21 does a golden cross on the 200, you see the price action moves, the money flowed into there. It broke out of that upper trend line, and the money is moving sideways. You don't have a lot of money flowing out or into Bitcoin, so therefore it's chopping sideways right along the 21 SMA. All right, so now let's go ahead and look at the altcoin dominant chart real quick. The total market cap for the altcoins, as you can see, you have that downward trend line, and the altcoins keep hitting that downward trend line and falling down. So altcoins are bleeding, and they fall below the 200. So I suspect, and this is the hour chart now, so I suspect the altcoins to bleed some more the rest of the week. And this is the 4-hour chart right here, and as you can see it better right here, the 21 came up, and you had a bull trap, came up, hit the downward trend line, and came back down. All right, so the money is flowing into Bitcoin and is leaving the altcoin. So let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. All right, so this is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. As you can see, it broke up out of the triangle, and it is using this 30,275 as support. Okay, it had a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, and therefore this needs to hold as a support. If it doesn't hold as a support and it breaks through, then you want to be seeing downwards towards $29,400, $2,400 Bitcoin. Okay, we need to see if it touches this 50 and bounces back up. But as of right now, the 21 is acting as a ceiling and is hitting this and coming back down. So let's look at the hour chart. This is the Bitcoin hour chart. You can see it more clearly on this one. As you can see, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. 21 is going, and price action is teeter-tottering around that support, that floor. Now, move on to the weekly, to the daily. Bitcoin daily chart. As you can see, same thing with the daily chart. You have a red candle for the day. You had a bunch of green candle, but you have a bull flag showing on the daily. RSI is oversold, so expect a pullback. Expect for it to fall down below this 30,256 a little bit, okay? Because the RSI is severely oversold. It's at 68, almost 70% territory. It needs to fall back down to the 32, below 35 in order for you to see a reversal. Now on the weekly, same thing on the weekly. You had that big green candle for the week, and now you're starting out with the red candle. So here to turn green. Today's only Wednesday. So we shall see. Now let's take a look at XRP. XRP. As you can see, this is the weekly. It's below the 200. It needs to break above 200, above the 200, and hold above the 200 for us to have any type of resistance, any type of reversal. Okay, RSI on this right here is just under 50%, so it needs to come down some more, and it's starting to look like it is a little bit. And this is the daily. As you can see, you have another trend line forming right here on the daily that's going downward. You have a high, low, lower low, so it's forming a downward trend. You have selling pressure come off. You had a lot of selling pressure, a little bit of buying pressure, and then more selling, right? So this is the daily, and daily needs to fall down somewhere around 32 for you get a bounce or a reversal, dead cat bounce or something of those sorts. 4-hour chart XRP, as you can see, it too also is below the 21, below the 50, and below the 200. That's not good. If it's below the 200, then you need to be above the 200 in order to see any type of bull run, any type of run. Okay. As long as it's under the 200, then you are going to see price action continue to fall. As you can see right here, it comes up here, touches the 21, it acts as a ceiling and falls and breaks through this floor down to 47,000. I told you in the other video that was muted that if it did not break through this ceiling support, then they expect 47,000 down into here, 47 cents, 46 cents XRP. Okay, so now it fell through that 47% floor, and now it's using this floor as a ceiling and as resistance. Let's go look at the hour chart. As you can see on the hour chart, you have the same thing. You can see it even more clearly, but the RSI is down here. So on the hour, you may get a little pump up here to this resistance to the 48.7 cents before it falls back down. All right. If you like the content that we provide to you, please hit the like button, leave a comment, hit the dislike button, share the video with your friends. Let us know what you think about the video. And again, we are ending the Bitcoin giveaway due to the amount of scammers and amount of cheats, and the amount of messages I have received of people claiming to be the winners. So until we find a better way of doing it, we are going to end that, and we will probably bring out NFT giveaways where you have to submit via Subber or Atlas or something like that, to where you have to actually weed out scammers and the cheats and lies. All right, so it's Crypto Crane signing out for another video. Until then, peace.